Hi, good morning. Another breakfast with Wayne. Something new this morning for those who want a quick breakfast and something fast and good. I'm going to make scrambled eggs with in the microwave, which is a fast, easy way to make fluffy, very good scrambled eggs. So to make scrambled eggs, we need eggs, right? So I got 2 brown eggs and a shallow bowl. Oh, you don't have to heat a pan, and I'm breaking the egg. Be careful. Oops. Woo. Have my tweezers or any eggshell that happen to get in there, but I'm lucky this time. Let's see. I got an idea. Where's that eggnog, Kim? Is it gone? Huh. Oh, here it is. Okay. I'm gonna make this a real treat. Instead of cream, I'm gonna put a little bit of eggnog. If I can get it open. Wow. Just a little bit of eggnog in there. And then I'm going to beat this up. And now I'm going to put them in the microwave. Okay, for 40 seconds. Depending on your microwave, all microwaves, some are slower, some are faster. My microwave is on the slow side, so I'm going to start with 40 seconds. There. Okay, it's been 40 seconds, so let's see how the eggs are doing. They're just starting to get a little firm. So I'm going to go in here and scramble them up again. Oh, they're looking very good. So now I'm going to add cheddar cheese. Okay, I've heated a strip of bacon, again in the microwave. It's pre-cooked. And so what I'm going to do is break this up right in the scrambled eggs. Ooh, it's hot. Wow. Ooh. Ow. I think I need gloves to do this. Ow. Jeez. I bet I should break this up when it's not hot. Fork in the microwave, or the microwave will blow up. Happened to a friend of mine. Okay, now I'm going to go to 30 seconds now. Okay, this was actually 30 seconds. You should get an idea of what's happening to the eggs. So we had a total of 70 seconds. Ew. I'm not sure about that. Going again for another 30 seconds. Okay, here are the eggs. Now, when you're in a hurry and you want to dirty another dish, you can eat it right out of the bowl. But since this is on camera and it will look nice to have them in a clean plate, I'm going to scrape them off in my plate. There's that. And now I got another little piece of bacon there. Get rid of that. And see how my English muffin's coming. Maybe make that a little toastier. And when I get the muffin out, I'm going to put butter on it, of course, and then homemade marmalade made by my daughter, which is another treat. Okay, let's just see what this tastes like. Mmm. Oh. Very good. I'm not sure about that eggnog. A little strong. But here's our breakfast this morning. Scrambled eggs with bacon, English muffin, and hot coffee. All I need is a fork and I hope you can have a breakfast like this sometime.